Well, I changed my mind about putting this airsoft well scorpion on my remote control crawler. And decided to make a stand for it instead out of an old fan stand to hold a fan. And here you can see the bottom of the stand. Right there's the remote control receiver. It came out of that tank, and we'll give it a try. I haven't got the trigger hooked up yet. That's the last thing I got to do, but thought I'd show the results I got so far. And that bracket right there, that was a shield guard on the John Deere in the back for a belt. Went around a pulley and a belt, and it just happened to work just perfectly. Anyway, zoom out a little bit. Okay, over and out.